Hello, Cobras. This video is going to cover how to use the Primo Catalog sign-in system to utilize a new service that we are going to try to do this semester, which is going to be a request service. So specifically for Coker materials. So it's going to be very similar to the Pascal system, except that instead of requesting materials from other institutions to be sent here, you will also now have the opportunity to request materials that we have in the library. We can then go pull them for you, hold them at the front desk, and you can just come straight in and pick them up. This is going to be good for books, DVDs, basically anything that we have physically within the library that you are able to check out and request. So to start off, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, go to our handy dandy webpage, which is library.coker.edu, and you will want to scroll down to catalog and click here or here, and it will take you to the Primo catalog. Now, one of the first things you're going to want to do when you come here, which is very important, is to make sure that you are signing in. This was not exactly the most important thing with our last system. This system, you definitely want to make sure you are signing in whenever you are searching for anything in here. So you can do that here, or you can also drop down, click on your library card, and sign in there. We do have another video which actually details the library card and all the functionality within that. So I highly recommend going and checking that one out as well. What we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and sign in here. It should bring up these options here. Just click Coker Students and Staff. It will bring you to our sign in page, and then you should be signed in. You will see your name up here in the top right hand corner. So let's say you are wanting to search for a book. Let's say you're wanting to search for Harry Potter. So if we start typing in Harry Potter, what you will see in the drop down menu here a lot of different facets that you can choose from in terms of where you're wanting to search for these materials. So you can do everything, which is going to cover our books, articles, DVDs, the whole gamut of things that we have to offer to you. You can also just do Coker University Catalog. You can do Pascal Delivers, EBSCO articles, whole thing. We're going to focus on the Coker University Catalog. So we'll click that. What that's going to do is it's going to give you all of these different options here. Now you do have the options for, of course, videos and books, but let's say you just want the books, you don't want the video. You can actually scroll down to the Refine My Results area. You can go down to Resource Type, and you can just click Books. So what that's going to do now is it's going to limit it to just books that we have here related to Harry Potter and not the videos. So again, it's going to be the easiest way to really start refining your results. So always make sure you're kind of looking over here on the side, checking that out. You also have options for like available online, held by library. Held by library is going to actually just keep it to what is being held by our library. But since you're already searching under Coker University Catalog, you won't have to do that there. That's going to be mostly for if you're searching under the everything option. That way you can kind of limit to exactly what is going to be offered from our catalog and from our library. So let's say for the sake of demonstration, you are wanting Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. As you can see, this is going to be your option here to click. It is available in the juvenile section, second floor. There's your call number. So just go ahead and click that. It will bring you to the records page, and you will have all of your different record options as you normally do. All right, so as soon as this is done loading in, as it is now, you will see that you have an option to request. If you click this, it will now give you this request option here, and as you can see, your pickup location is going to be the Coker University Library. And so what you will do is you would come over here and you would say that you do not need after this date. This is mostly for if it's not available and you're wanting to request it. Basically what you would do is you put in like a pickup date, the last possible pickup date that you would need this. So you're kind of waiting for someone to return it. You can kind of do that in there. Otherwise, you really don't need to post anything in here. You can put a comment in here saying, maybe a specific pickup date that maybe you may need in the future or somewhere around in there. But you have a couple of different options in terms of what you want to put in here in terms of picking the book up and the best time frame for you in terms of when to pick it up. And so once you're done with that, you would just send in your request, and you have submitted it. You will check your email for updates on your request. One of the things that you're going to want to do after this, though, is go back, and you can go to your My Requests, and you will actually see that you have a request open It is in process. You will be able to pick it up in the library. This is going to be where you're going to be able to check on those requests. So again, you can either access it through My Request, or you can go to the library catalog, and you will also see that you have your request down here. You can click that and it will bring you here. You can also cancel your request here, which I'm going to go ahead and do since I actually don't need it. And so what that's going to do is that's going to successfully cancel that request. And so that is going to be the easiest way in terms of requesting any kind of materials that we have that you might need. Again, it will limit any kind of trips, any extra searching that you may need to do in the library. That way we can just pull it for you. We'll send you an email letting you know that we have it at the front desk available, waiting for your carrying arms. And you can come by and pick them up and use them carryingly, and then bring them back when they are due. So thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful, and have a great day.